Alright, last video. What we're going to be doing in this video is we're going to be completing a loop or doing something until we get told to stop. This is for me in Python Playground number 5 after all of our initial bits of code. Alright, so what we need to do is we're going to be looking at a brand new variable type for this one. This is going to be called a Boolean. Actually, what a Boolean is, it's a special type of variable that can either be true or false. So we've looked at variables that are numbers, variables that are words. This is another one. It's like, do you have a hat on? It's either yes or no. There's no I kind of have a hat, or does a beanie count? It's one or the other. Are you hungry? Yes or no? In our case, do you want to keep going? Yes or no? So that's what we're going to call it. Keep going. By default, yeah, it's going to be true. Notice that it's black at the moment. If I put a capital T, it's now orange. This is a value that's recognized as a Boolean value being saved as keep going. Now, while we want to keep going, we're going to keep outputting messages. We are going to write while keep going is true. So as long as keep going is true, we are going to output a big smiley face. And then we're going to ask, we're going to save this as the answer. Do you want to keep going? We'll then check if the answer was yes, then we don't need to do anything in particular. Maybe we can just print a little message. But else. Alright, elif, although you could just use else. The answer was ever equal to no. We're going to print. Oh, we're going to print. Goodbye. And we're going to update keep going to be false. But then, just to show that we're done, I'm going to print one final message. Program over. Alright. So what we should see is initially a smiley face and the answer, do you want to keep going? If we answer yes, it's going to print the word excellent. Else, if we answer no, it's going to print goodbye and keep going will equal false. When it then tries to loop again, it'll check, is keep going true? At this point, we would have set it to false, so it would have stopped and it would output this. So let's test it. Do you want to keep going? Yes. Excellent. Do you want to keep going? Yes. Excellent. Do you want to keep going? Maybe. We don't have a condition for anything except for yes and no, so we don't get a special message. We just loop again. Do you want to keep going? I don't know. Do you want to keep going? No. Goodbye, program over. What's happened here is that it's every single time asking for an input, doing a quick check. Is it this? If yes, do this. Else, is it this? If yes, do this. The loop comes back around and it tries to go again as long as this condition is true. Have a go at all 4 of the programs that we've looked at so far and see what you're able to do. See if you can adapt, join them together, make some interesting programming projects.